This is one of my RC trucks, which I turned from being super slow and boring to being very powerful and awesome. In this video I'm gonna show you what I did to improve it and how you can do the same to your RC car. But first, we'll start with how I got it.
Three days later.
Got a new toy! It's an HPI E-Firestorm. Let's see what we got. Moment of truth. Okay. Damn, that is looking really nice actually. Alright, so here's the car and damn, this thing is actually in great condition. Yeah, the power ain't great, but it should do for now. Let's go outside. Okay, now let's just be real here. The handling is quite nice, but it's definitely lacking some power and the top speed isn't exactly great either. All in all, gets boring quite quickly. But don't worry, we're gonna be fixing all of that now. Now how I'm gonna do this is by basically ripping out the old primitive brushed power system and replacing it with a modern brushless one. Now the good thing is, these aren't even that expensive anymore. You can get a good one for like 30-40 bucks off AliExpress and just throw it in there. And just by doing that, you can get your car to be a lot faster. So that's what we're gonna be doing to this one. Let's go! So here we have access to the motor now. Here I have a little choice of motors and ESCs. I think I'm gonna go for this motor here. And then the CSC. Now this is a Hobbywing Max 10 SCT ESC. And then just a little random 3650 motor I have. Nothing special.
Bruh.
It's too short. Okay, so I'm having a little issue here that this electronic speed controller that I was gonna use originally, the motor wires don't reach. Instead, I'm gonna use this slightly worse one here, but no worries, it's still 3S capable. So we should still be able to make this thing go really fast. Here it is, looking very nice. I'm just gonna show you the electronics real quick. There we go. So here is the new motor that we put in, the new speed controller, and the rest pretty much stayed the same. Same battery, same everything. And guys, it has so much more power. It can do burnouts on the freaking table here. And this is only on 2S LiPo. On a 3S it's gonna be even faster. Alright, with the upgrade done, let's go outside now and see what this thing can do. So that worked a whole lot better. It's got so much more power and it can actually pull wheelies now. You might have noticed I switched the tires at some point in the video because I don't want to completely shred apart these original ones, so I've just put some different ones from an HPI MT2 on instead. Now keep in mind that all of what you just saw was on the 2-cell LiPo. Now we're gonna be switching over to a 3-cell. Meaning more voltage, more power, and hopefully more fun. Alright, let's go try this out outside. Whoa! Gotta be careful I don't flip it over here. Oh my god. Let's try to go quick here. Bro, I literally can't stay on the throttle for more than like half a second or else the nose will come up. Oh my god, this thing has way too much power. Bro, this thing literally just flipped itself on its roof because of too much torque. What? Ouch. Alright, so apart from a couple of scratches on the body shell here, which were definitely already there when I got it, 100%, the brushless conversion was really successful. It's got a ton of power now, and it's a lot more fun than with this ancient, cheap brushed combo here. Yeah. One thing that I would say this thing still needs is a wheelie bar to prevent, you know, that from happening again. I'll probably be 3D designing and printing a wheelie bar for this in the future, so let me know down in the comments below if you want to see that. And yeah, apart from, you know, that, the project was really successful. This car is a lot of fun, a lot better than it was before, and in total it makes for a really cheap and really awesome basher now. Oh, and one thing I still wanted to tell you. The last video about my 3D printed RC hovercraft completely blew up with over 180,000 views. I also received a ton of super nice comments and I suddenly have over 1500 subscribers. So huge thanks to everyone who watched that video and to all my subscribers. You're awesome. Alright, I'm gonna go have some more fun with this awesome new car that I got. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye.